Taylor Brands is proud to present the Smith & Wesson Survival Tactical Pen. Featuring an aircraft aluminum body, this tool is more than strong enough for close proximity tactical maneuvers. The pen utilizes a Starinen black fine point D1 pen cartridge that is exposed by twisting the end. To exchange the ink cartridge, keep twisting the end to detach and swap out. The pen's top unscrews to expose a ferro rod. The lid has a metal groove scraping area which is used to strike quickly and firmly against a ferro rod, producing a spark. A black protective coating must be scraped away before sparking. The Tactical Survival Pen has an optional keychain attachment. To use this, you simply unscrew the ferro rod and screw the keychain attachment onto this area.